Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning. So we are live, guys. London Open, guys. We're live at London Open. So let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening on the market, guys. Let's see what's happening on the market. Yeah, let's see what's happening on the market, guys. So we are live on YouTube, guys. We are live on YouTube. So all right, guys. So currently you can see yesterday it was a bit tricky. Yesterday you can see the market was able to sweep low of Asia. You can see. So on Friday, on not Friday, yesterday we had a sweep here. You can see. So we had a sweep here. We had a sweep this area. Then the market went down. Then the market came down and sweep also the low of London here. I think guys, like the market was able to sweep the low of London again. And yeah, that's how the market went, guys. Yesterday, it was not. I can say yesterday the market was a bit tricky. It was a bit tricky, like really a bit tricky. But let's see today what's going to happen today on the market. Yeah, let's see today what's happening today in the market. Then we see, guys. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what's happening today in the market, guys. Yeah, let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, let's see what's happening today, guys, in the market. But I'm really positive today. I'm really positive today. I'm really positive today that things are going well. Things are going well, guys. Things are going well today. Okay. So let me yeah, think hope it's clear. Hope my voice is clear, guys. Confirm to me if my voice is clear on the other side. Yeah, just confirm to me. Yeah, if my voice is clear, and then we can continue, guys. So we are having this market of GBP USD. Yeah, we are having this market of GBP USD currently running out. So what do I expect today on this market? Like, what do I expect today on this market, guys? So let me show you guys what I'm expecting. Yeah, I'm expecting today, guys. I'm expecting today. I think, guys. Yeah, I'm expecting today the market to touch here. You can see. Yeah. So right now, my area of interest is this region, guys. This is my area of interest at the moment. This is my area of interest at the moment, guys. Yeah. So this is my area of interest at the moment here. You can see. This is my area of interest at the moment here, guys. You can see. So this area, the high of Asia here, you can see, is really my high of interest at the moment, and my low of Asia here. So this is GBPUSD, guys. This is GBPUSD. So I need to mark it like that. See? So currently, this is what I'm expecting. Yeah. So I'm expecting right now either the market to break the high of Asia or the low of Asia. This is called liquidity sweep, guys. Liquidity grab in the market. We normally call liquidity grab in the market. Yeah, confirm to me, guys, if my voice is clear. Confirm to me if my voice is clear. If you're watching me, guys, you just confirm to me if you're getting me clear on the side, if I'm audible, and also if my screen is clear on the other side. Okay, guys. So this is what I'm expecting. Yeah, today we had, and also today I can show you guys. Today we had a very good trade for gold trade. Yeah, we had a very good trade for a gold trade. So I'm gonna be showing you guys this. I think, guys. So this was my entry today at around 2 a.m. I think. Yeah, this was my entry at around 2 a.m. So what do I expect so that I can enter this market? You see, guys. So the first thing, guys, is I need to plot the 13 EMA on my chart here. So these are 20 EMA. So let me change it to 13 EMA. I think. So I need to change to 13 moving average. So I need to set the 13 EMA. Boom. Now I'm having here the 13 moving average on my chart. So this is what I was expecting today on gold trade, guys. This is what I was expecting today on the gold trade. So I need to mark what? I need to mark my before even I trade, I need to set the 13 EMA on my chart. I think, guys, like I need to set the 13 EMA on my chart. That is the most important thing, guys. I need to set the 13 EMA on my chart. So you can see here I am having a 13 moving average on my chart here. I'm having a 13 moving average on my chart here. So what I'm gonna do is so every day I should wake up at around 2 a.m. to trade the gold market. So I wake up at 2 a.m. to trade the gold market. I think so. You should wake up around 2 a.m. to trade at the Asian market. So reason because I trade in the Asian market is because of the volume of gold. It really works well during the the Asian market. Yeah, it works really well. So you can see here we had a very good trade here. So what I normally do is when the market breaks high of the 13 moving average, I will look for an entry opportunities. So you can see today here. So my rule is, guys, is I come to trade at 2 a.m. which is here 2 a.m. exactly. That's when the market is. That's when the market is approaching. That's when the market is. Opening. The Asian market. That's when the Asian market is opening. I think, guys, that's when the Asian market is opening. So I come at that time to trade the Asian market. So what do I wait for? So that I can look for entry, either buy or sell. So because I have here the 13 moving average, you can see. So I just need to wait for the market to break above the 13 moving average, and the body must close above the 13 moving average so that I can consider as eligible to buy. The body, you can see here, the body just closed above the 13 mm. I think like the body already just closed above the 13 moving average. So after the market has closed above the 13 moving average, then I need to enter a buy market immediately when the market breaks above it, like here. I think, guys, so this now becomes my entry region buy. This becomes my entry region buy, guys. Then I need to set the 200 pips below, which is the stop loss. I think, guys, so I need to set the stop loss of 200, which is around 2000. So let me set the stop loss. Around here. Now this becomes my SL. I think, guys, now that becomes my stop loss, guys. So what next? So I need to target 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Yeah, you can target 1 to 2, 1 to 3. But for this one, you can target 1 to 2. So let's get, so our stop loss is 200 pips here, you can see. Our stop loss here is 200 pips, you can see. So we're going to be targeting 400 pips. So let's do it. And you can see our 400 pips was here. So that's a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, guys. Yeah, that's a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. That is a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, guys. I think. So I'm risking here 1. I'm risking here 200 pips to target 400 pips. I think, guys, yeah, I'm risking 200 pips to get to target 400 pips. So this I do it on a daily basis. This I do it on a daily basis. So no compromise on the market. No compromise on the market, guys. No compromise. Like you just need to do it consistently. You just need to do it consistently every day, and you're gonna see results, guys. And you're gonna see the results. I think yeah. Yes. Yeah. So these are, and also can see yesterday. Maybe I can show you yesterday. So yesterday also we had this opportunity here. You can see this was yesterday. And this one you can do it consistently every day. So long as you understand the concept. If you understand the concept, you can do it daily. Yeah. Confirm to me, guys. Am I audible on the other side? Am I audible, or confirm to me if my chat is clear, guys. You see this, I think this one is a bit different with TikTok. You need just one person to confirm to me, guys. One person to confirm to me if I am audible and also if my screen is clear. Thank you so much, Bola. Thank you so much. Okay, so you can see here, guys. So this was now yesterday's trade. I think this was now the yesterday's trade, which we did together. You remember, guys, yesterday, yeah, we didn't do together, but I can say if you are trading gold yesterday and today, both of it were profitable. Yeah, both of it were profitable. You can see, guys, like I just wait for the market to break above the 13 moving average, like here, then execute a buy. I think so. The market must close above the 13 moving average. So this is a 13 moving average. You can see here, this one, this the red line here. It is a 13 moving average. So you need to have it on your trading view chart. You need to have it on your chart. So when the market was able to close above the 13 moving average here, so what next? I was able to enter a buy. Then a stop loss of 200 pips below it. Then a TP of 400 pips above it. So let's see if the market was able to reach the 400 pips. Let's do it. Okay, this one was now my entry. Entry. Let me mark it with this higher. Now here was my entry. You can see that was my entry right now. That was the entry. That was the entry part of buy. That was the entry, buy entry. Then I had to set below it 200 pips. Let's do it. 200 pips. I think so. I had to set 200 pips below it. So 200 pips, maybe I can measure 200 pips below it. So this is the entry part. So I need to set the 200 pips below it. So nowadays don't set 100 pips. Nowadays don't set 100 pips. Don't just set 200. Just because 100 will be easily stopped out. Yeah, that's what I've realized. 100 will be easily stopped out. Yes, guys. Now this one became my SL and TP here. I think now that is my SL and TP, and an SL and an entry point. Now I'm going to be setting 400 pips above it, SL to TP. So let's do it. I think the market was able to reach 400 pips. Can see exactly the market was able to reach 400 pips exactly here. Yeah. Yeah, that was a 400 pips. I think. Yeah. So this one, guys, you do it every day. Like you need to do it every day. I don't know if I can be doing the morning session, but first I started with London. I wanted to see if London will gonna be picking out. Then I do the gold. But I wanted to trade mostly the London market, live analysis, to show you guys, so that guys be updated on what's going on and which levels are we are waiting for the market. Are you seeing? Yeah, and then let's see again the next day here. Yeah, we can see guys, like 4 consecutive days, it was just a win, a win, a win, a win. Like this thing, you don't need to complicate these things. Like you just need to understand when to enter and when to exit. That's it, guys, in the forex market. Like when you understand that, you're gonna be really, really be profitable. So long as you understand when to enter and when to exit. Just period like that. So you can see like this one. So the market went up, then it came down and bounced below the 28, the 13 mm. And for here, guys, for us, we are looking only for buys. We are not looking for any sell signal. No. We are looking for only a buy signal. So you can see here the market came down here, then boom above the 13 EMA. You can see it is above the 13 EMA, closed above it. So you need to measure 200 pips from the entry. You need to measure 200 pips from the entry here. I think, guys, from the entry here, I can see that is 200 pips. So that was the entry price. So I need to set below it 200 pips. So let's do it, guys. I think it's exactly here. I think that's where our stop loss is at the moment. Yeah. Then we target how many pips? We target 400 pips above it. Just simple like that, guys. Just simple like that. I think 400 pips. It's here. Actually, it is really near here. Let me show you. Let me mark it. Yeah. This was a TP. So TP is here. So just imagine, guys. Just a small movement, like the market has reached to us, your TP. So guys, can you able to do this every day? Like, can you be able to do this every day? Like, the problem with most people, guys, is they tend to miss trades. I think that is the common mistake that people make in the forex market. Yeah, most people tend to miss trades, because if you tend to miss trades, it's going to affect your data, and if it's going to affect your data long term, you're not going to become a consistent profitable trader. That's the fact, guys. That's the fact. That's the fact about trading. Like, you need to be consistent, taking the same setup consistently every day. I think, like, you can see from Monday, which was on 2nd till today. If you have been trading gold, it was just a win, 3 days consecutive wins, guys, on wins. By just following a simple system. Let's see back here. So back here it was just a loss. Can see? Here was a loss. Can see? So the market was able to close above the 13 MA. Then it failed. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens and it fails. Yeah, it happens sometimes and it fails. But even if you get a losing trade, you keep on trading the same the next day. Yeah, like that's how you build the mindset of being a trader, by trading on a daily basis. Even if you encounter a losing trade, you tend to take the trade again. I think, like, you tend to take the trade again and again and again and again. That's how you build the mindset of being a trader. Yeah, that's how you build the mindset of being a trader. Yeah, so let's see today market. This was just by the way. Yeah, this is just by the way, guys. This is just by the way, and yeah, you can be doing, yeah, guys. Yeah, don't focus, guys, on the market. Focus on this gold. Yeah, gold, and focus mostly on buys only. Don't focus on sells only. Don't focus on sales. Focus on buys only, because gold is bullish long term. I think, guys, like gold is bullish long term. Like gold is bullish long term. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. Okay, let's see today's market. So this is for the gold market. So gold, we are just finished today. So until tomorrow, again, I'm gonna be showing the same setup again. Just imagine tomorrow I'm gonna be showing you. Oh, today was an entry here, and we're able to use it here. So why not take a initiative tomorrow and trade, guys, and take opportunity to trade, so long as you understand the concept of trading, so long as you understand the concept of trading the gold. I think, and the concept is just the same. Just use the 13 moving average for entries. Only that. Like, just use 13 moving average for entries. That's it, guys. Yeah, so make sure, guys, tomorrow, guys, gonna be showing you, guys. And also, guys, if you want to build consistency, you just need to be consistent in taking your setups. By doing that, you're gonna be improving a lot. I think by doing that, you're gonna be improving a lot. So let's see today's market. Yeah, today's market is what I'm expecting. So yesterday's New York was like this. Let me show you yesterday's New York. So yesterday New York, can see we had the law of London. Can see we have the law of London here. So I was able to mark this before the New York opens. I think I was able to mark this before the New York market opens. Then all of a sudden, when the New York market opens, then boom, the market was able to sweep the liquidity at where? Yes, can someone confirm to me? The market was able to take liquidity. Law of what? Yeah, confirm to me, guys. Law of London. Higher. So when the market was able to when the market was able to when the market was able to close above below of London here, was able to sweep law of London. So what was my next confirmation, guys? On the chat box, guys, can you tell me, guys, what was the next confirmation entry for you to enter the trade? Yeah, confirm to me, guys. What was your next confirmation before you enter that trade? Yeah, confirm to me, guys, if you understand it. Yeah, what was your next confirmation before you enter that trade? Yeah, confirm to me, guys. Like, yeah, above the 13 MA, correct, Bolaji. Yeah, correct. I think. So here was this was my entry candle here. I think, like, that was my entry candle instantly, and we just sold that trade, and the market went well. But you see, on London it failed. Yeah, actually on London it failed. Yeah, but it's normal. That's how market is. You can't be getting profitable trades every day. Yeah, because in this market you are fighting with we have like, you are competing with the big hedge funds. You are competing with institution banks. So for them, they have biggest technology than you. So for you just need to be profitable long term. If you are risking 1%, you need to target at least 2% of that. I think, guys, like, if you keep that consistency every day, then you're gonna see improvement. I'm telling you the truth, guys. I'm telling you the truth. If you keep on trading the same setup consistently, like, you're gonna see the results. It's a must you see the results. Like for me, I wake up at 2 a.m. I take the same setup. I sleep again, I come back London again, I take the same setup again. Yeah, like that, like you need, like forex, you need like you need forex to take it very simple like that. You don't need to have a complicated system, guys. Like you don't need to have a complicated system. Like you can see also this one for Bollinger Band. Let me show you. Let me show you this one. I know that some people are trading here Bollinger Bands. It's a very also good system, guys. See what happened. So you see on London it failed. The market was able to close to touch low of London. I think like the market was able to touch low of London. Then for me, I said now these are very good trade. Now these are good trade. Now I was able to get an entry where? Here. I think now that was my entry. Then I said, now this is my trade. I need to buy it. It's a very good trade. But see what market open, and I was able to set my stop loss here. Yeah, sometimes shit happens, guys, in the market. So like shit happens in the market, and you cannot control the market. You cannot control the market. See, guys, like you cannot control the market. You can never control the market, guys. Yeah, see what happened. So the market was able to close low of London. Yeah. So we had this sweep. We had this sweep here, which confirmed to me that I'm looking for the buy market. Then all of a sudden, I bought it here. The market went on profit, on profit, on profit. Then all of a sudden, New York market opens. Then boom, 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 hitting my stop loss here. I was able to enter again on the New York market because I was able to mark the low of London here. Can see? And also can see on the New York market here, the market was able to touch the low Bollinger Band. Are you seeing here? Like the market was able to touch the low Bollinger Band here. So what next? I waited for the market to break above the two. So when you're using the Bollinger Band, guys, when you're using the Bollinger Band to use the middle line for entries. Are you together, guys? Yeah. When you're using Bollinger Band, you just wait for the market to touch the low band here. Then confirmation entry above the 13 MA. Not 13 MA, 20 MA, guys, which is the middle line here. This is the middle line. So when you're using the band, when you're using the Bollinger Band, you need to use this middle line for entries. You see this middle line here? You need to use it for entries. This is every time, every day, you use it for entries. Are you listening, guys? Yeah, this one you need to do it on a daily basis. Okay. Yeah. Also can see here, yeah, it works, guys. These things works, guys. Can see here the market was able to break above it, then the market went till to the upper band. And this one also, can see? Yeah, if you can also use Bollinger Band, it's actually good also. Let me remove this. Able to see this band here. So here the market has touched where? The market has touched the upper band. So what was your next confirmation? What was your next confirmation, guys? So your next confirmation was you needed to wait for the market to to break below the middle line, which is here. I don't know if it's clear. Okay? You see there, the market has crossed below the 13 mm, the middle line. So actually guys, like what I can tell you guys, like Bollinger Band and liquidity sweep, it is just the same. It is just the same, guys. Yeah, it is just the same. Yeah. So because I've been getting so many calls, people call me say, Newton, do I trade Bollinger Band or do I trade liquidity grab? It is just the same. You see? Yeah. For someone here of liquidity grab, I'm going to trade sell. For someone of liquidity grab, you could have taken this and trade a sell. Yeah. Even yesterday, a person who is trading liquidity grab, he could have taken this trade. Here. Same person. Yeah, it is just the same. Because for market to sweep liquidity, it must also touch the lower band. When the market is stretching to the lower band, it is trying to sweep the liquidity also. That is the psychology of, now that is the psychology of this, which is called what? Of liquidity to sweep, Bollinger Band. So when you see Bollinger Band is stretching to the low, the market is stretching to the lower band. Just know also the market is trying to sweep the liquidity to the low side. Are you seeing, guys? Yeah, it's just the same concept. They are the same concept. Are you seeing, guys? Like just the same concept. Like just the same concept. No need of complication, guys. Like no need of complicating the market. Okay, let's check now that today. Let's check upon this today opportunities, what we are waiting today, guys. So you can see here already, the market has touched where? The market has not touched the upper band. Let me remove this so that I can show you. Yeah, today already, the market, it has not touched any of the band. I think it has not touched any of the band. Yeah, today the market, it has not touched any of the band. So what I'm waiting here, I'm very positive. I'm really positive this market is going to touch where? On the lower band here. So that's why I'm really waiting. And also, guys, you also, guys, you can be waiting, guys. You see where I've marked it, guys? Yeah, let's wait at that point. Let's wait at that point. So if this market is gonna touch the lower band, let me increase maybe the size of these bands. Let me increase the band size. The upper band and the lower band. I think now it's clear. It's so big. Is that true, guys? Right now it's so big. Yeah, now it's clear. You can see. Now it's clear on your side. So if the market could have touched this upper band, I could have looked for a selling opportunities when the market is crossing above the middle band here. But right now the market has not touched here. You can see. I don't know if it's clear on your side, so you can see if it has not touched. I see. It has not touched. Totally, it has not touched the market. It has not touched the upper band. So there's some traders who normally enter without blindly, without confirming if the market has touched or not has touched. And we have said for confirmation, guys, like we need for the market to touch it so that it can confirm. I think that's why see this market has come here and it has failed to break, because the middle band is really powerful. It tells you where the market is moving next. Yeah, so for me, I'm just waiting for this region, these two regions. Yeah, for my market to confirm. Yeah, only those two regions for GBPUSD. Yeah, for someone who is trading GBPUSD, this is the best market you can trade. Yeah, the best market which you can trade is which I can tell you guys is British pound and US dollars. It's really a good currency. It follows the trend. We have less manipulation in this currency, really less. Yeah, that's why you see me most of the times trading this, because it follows my trading plan, my strategy. Yeah, my strategy works mostly on this currency on we normally call the GU. Yeah, my strategy works well on GBP USD. Yeah, so guys, this one we are done with GU. We are done with we are done with JPPSD. So let's go to NASDAQ. Maybe someone who is trading NASDAQ. I think, guys. Yeah, for someone who is trading NASDAQ, maybe you can go to NASDAQ 100. Yeah, let's check NASDAQ. NASDAQ also is a very good currency. It's a very good indices. It's an index. It's called an index, guys. So let me set the session. See what happened yesterday. So the market was able. Actually, it's the same. It is actually the same with It's actually the same with GU yesterday. But you can see the previous day on Monday. Let's check on. Let me show on Monday. So on Monday you can see here, the market came, and during the London Open, you can see what happened. The market was able to touch the lower band. Can you see here? Here. That was the lower band. That was the lower band. And the market was able to touch the lower band. So what did they expect next? I was expecting the market to go uptrend just to confirm on the middle line so that I can buy. And you can see where I bought it, where I was able to bought it. Here. I think that was my entry candle, guys. That was my entry candle. I think. Then boom, the market went up. You can see here. Then boom, you can see the market really went up like that, guys. Like just simple like that. Like you don't need to complicate anything. Like you don't need to have a complicated system in the forex market. Like you don't need to have a complicated system in the forex market. for you to make money. Yeah, there's some people think like, oh, you need to have a complicated system so that you can make money in the forex market. No, 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 no. You don't need a complicated system. You just need a simple system which you can execute effortlessly. Yeah, easily. We can say effortlessly or easily. I think, guys. Yeah, so same thing which you are waiting today. So yesterday it gave us an opportunity on the New York. You can see. Yeah, it gave us an opportunity on the New York market. Yeah, it was able to give us an opportunity on the New York market. So, and the market was able to close above the 20 MA here, I think. Then, boom, the market went up. So today here, we are waiting. See see what's happened today here. The market already has touched on the upper band. So what do I expect if I'm trading the Bollinger Band? I'm expecting a reversal to the downtrend. I think, guys, I'm expecting a reversal to the downtrend. And this is what I'm waiting, can see? For the market to break below the 20 MA, the middle band, then I enter sell. Yes, yes, yes. So this is what we are expecting on NAS 100 for those who are trading NAS 100. And for gold, yeah, trading gold during the London market is a bit tricky because we don't have volume mostly during the London Open on gold. Yeah, gold, if you want to trade gold very, very well, just wake up at that time. I think, guys, just wake up at what time? Just wake up at 3 a.m., 2 a.m., sorry. Yeah, yeah, that's the best time you can trade. See what's happening right now. So yesterday, it was able to touch the lower band here, then close above 13 EM, the middle band, then the market went up. So this is the situation for gold. Maybe I can check long-term view of this market. Maybe I can check the long-term view of this market on the market structure, based on the market structure. So let's go to H4. So let's see what's happening with gold. Like the problem gold, it moves up, going down. Yeah, that's the problem with gold. You can see. So yesterday we had drawn this. Remember, guys? I think yesterday we had drawn something of that. So this was the touch one, which was here. I think that was the touch one for gold. So this was yesterday. This was just yesterday. Touch one, then touch two, guys. Then touch three here. So here you could have gone to a lower time frame, 15 minutes. So let's check on 15 minutes here. See what was happening here. It was just struggling, but it was a very nice trade. Yeah, check S&P 500. Yeah. Okay, let me check. Yeah. Oh, there's some people are trading S&P 500. I didn't know about it. S&P SP 500. I think, guys. So let me calculate this. Let me calculate this, guys. S&P 500. S&P 500. S&P 500. We have this one index. That's just an index, guys. So this is S&P. So this is S&P 500. You can see on my screen here. So that is S&P 500. You can see, guys, that is S&P 500 market, guys. So that is an S&P 500, guys. That is an S&P 500. You can see on that side. And so let's analyze together, guys. Let's analyze from afresh. From afresh, let's see what's happening on this market. So maybe I can go to let's check on a higher time frame first. Let's check on a higher time frame. Like, so on higher time frame, you can see this market. It has been moving on a trend line level. So let's mark it, guys. Correct. Let's see. Actually, it's really a nice trade which follows the trend. You can see. I think the trend line, guys. So what I can tell you about Bolaji, if you are trading if you are trading this market, you can see we head here, our first touch here. There, my first touch. Then our second touch was here. Now this one will equal and create. See? Oh, S&P 500. It was a very long trend on a downside, on a trend sell. You can see? Then boom. So what next? What should I expect next to buy to trade this market? So what I need to expect this market is I need to wait for this market to come back where? That region. I think just simple like that. I just need to wait for the market to come to that region. Then I am gonna be looking for a sell. I think, guys. Now this one maybe I can write sell here, trade. Maybe you can write here sell trade. Here sell here. Just simple like that. Just simple like that, guys. Yes. So this is for S&P 500. This is for S&P 500, guys. If you are trading in the S&P 500, this is the analysis. Actually, in a move post, it follows the trend, because you can see if you have been trading this movement, you could have gotten this a win trade, and this one is a win trade again. So right now here you cannot trade anything. You just switch, because here we are having a consolidation period here. I think here, like it's kind of like we're having a consolidation. This region. I think, like, kind of we are having a consolidation. Yeah, analyze NASDAQ. Yeah, David. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you NASDAQ. Yeah. So this is for market for so if you tend to enter a sell here, where should you exit? Where should we exit this market? You need to exit where? Here. On the low side. I think, guys, you need to on the low side. Yeah, so David and Asama, we check NASDAQ. So let's check NASDAQ, David. I'm gonna be showing you a NASDAQ. It's called NAS 100. NAS 100. So let's check, guys. So let's remove this. So number one, guys, we said when you're analyzing the market, focus on the higher time frame. Just go to H4 and observe how the market is moving on H4 time frame before you make any analysis of the market. I think like before you make any analysis of the market, okay, we have this here. Maybe I can mark this. Are you seeing this? I need to mark this level here like this. Then also I need to mark this level here like this. I think like just simple like that. I think, guys, like just simple like that. I have, so here I'm just waiting for this NASDAQ to go up and first to confirm. So if this NASDAQ will go up to here, let me remove this. If this NASDAQ will move to this region here, then I'll be looking to sell. The reason why I'll be looking to sell is because of the third touch, guys. It's because of the third touch. That's why I'm selling this market. It's because of the third touch. Here was my first touch. Let me show you. Here was my first touch, my second touch here, then my third touch where? Here. I think like just simple like that. Just simple like that. And boom, you're on the chart. I think, guys, yes. Now this one becomes also my first touch on the low side. Now this one becomes my first touch on the low side here. Then my second touch where? Here. So first I need for this market to go uptrend here, this till here, so that I can look for a bearish trend where? Till here. So that I'm gonna buy here. I think, and also I can also, and also here I'm looking for sales here. I think, guys, I'm looking for sales at that point. Yeah, I'm looking for sales at that point. Like just simple like that. Just simple like that. So this is NASDAQ 100. So this market is approaching this region here. You go to a lower time frame for entries. So entries, you go to a lower time frame. Don't enter on H4. Are you together, guys, up to that point? So don't enter on H4. H4 in 4-hour time frame. Yeah, focus on a lower time frame for entry, so that you can be able to set a small stop loss or a minimum stop loss. When you go to a higher time frame or for example when you enter on a higher time frame, you'll tend to set a bigger stop loss. And for us, we don't want that. We want to target a small tight stop loss and a big take profit. Are you together, guys? Okay, confirm to me, which market again can we analyze? The last market, maybe the last market before. Yeah, but I want to leave you guys with what we are waiting on the on GBPUSD. Just simple like that. Just simple, guys. I think like our market which you are waiting is this. Yeah. So make sure you plot the Bollinger Band on your chart and you wait. If this market is gonna touch the lower band, wait again the market to close above the middle band, the body to close above the middle band, so that you can enter buy. Are you together, guys? And also, if this market is going to touch the upper band, then reverse, gonna wait for the market to close below the 20 MA. The middle band here is the 20 MA. Then you can enter a sell. You see, guys, it's very simple like that. It's very, very simple like that. Like, you just need to understand the concept. Like, you just need to understand how this concept works. That's simple, guys. Are you getting, guys? So if here the market could have touched the upper band here, I could just be waiting for the market to close above this middle band here, so that I can sell. I think. So currently, guys, if you maybe are noting down, the market which you are waiting is GBPUSD currently. Wait for the market to close above to touch the lower band. Wait for the market to touch the lower band. Wait for the market to touch the lower band. Then wait. Don't enter here buy. Kwa mtu alikuwa ananiambia like, oh, I need to like maybe can I enter buy on the immediately when it touches the lower band. I told him when you enter immediately, at market imefunga for example hivi, because inakwanga mistakes, inakwanga like yeah, sometimes it goes well. Kwa mtu aliniambia like but I've seen Newton, the market is moving like this. Ati mtu amona green candle imekaa hivi. So anasema like let me buy this trade sasa. Hey, the market has confirmed, let me buy. No. Don't buy, guys. Ati hii ni candle ya green imeconfirm hivi. On the lower band. Then somebody say, hey, it's a buy entry, So let me enter buy. So when you enter right now, it's a low probability. Yeah, but sometimes it goes well. You can see hapa. Sometimes inaendanga vizuri. Sometimes it goes well. Like yesterday, unaona? Yesterday market ilikuja hapa. Ikatouch nini? The market came and touched the lower band. So somebody akajamba like, the moment the market may close below the band with a green candle, let me buy. So sometimes it can go well. So not kama this one, it went well. But for you guys, I want you guys to get the highly probability trade. I just want you to get a highly probability trade. Like that's what I want. The highly probability trade, you wait for the market to close above the 20 MA. Yeah, we just wait. Just be patient. You wait, then you buy. Yeah, just simple like that, guys. Like just simple like that. Just simple like that. Like you don't need to complicate. Like let me just follow that plan. When you enter here, when the market has not crossed above the middle band, like most of your trades will be low probability trade. I think like most of your trades will be a low probability trade when you enter early without the market closing above the 20 MA. Yeah, most of your trades will be a low probability trade. I think yeah, most of your trades will be a low probability trade. And for us, we don't want that. We want to be taking only highly probability trade. So guys, so as we finish, guys, we'll be doing this live from 11 to 12. Yeah, I'll be doing it from 11 to 12, guys, every day. Yeah, every day, Monday to Friday, guys. Okay, you can see here. So what I'm waiting here. So currently, guys, I think I've shown you what you're supposed to be waiting here. Yeah, when the market touches the upper band, it has swept the liquidity. When the market touches the lower band here, you can see the market will have swept the liquidity. So it's just the same. So you can use this. You can just use a Bollinger Band as a confirmation. Yeah, you can just use a Bollinger Band as a confirmation. I think those are two. Where I've marked my green lines is where we are waiting for the entries. I think yeah, that's what we're gonna be waiting for the entries, guys. And yeah, you need to be patient, guys. Maybe the setup might occur maybe in the next 1 hour, 2 hours. Yeah, just keep on watching. Just keep on watching, guys. Just keep on watching. Just keep on watching, guys. Just keep on watching the market. and you're gonna see the improvement. And if you get a trade, don't hesitate, just trade it. Okay, guys, maybe as we call it a session, guys. Yeah, maybe a question before we call it a day, guys. Yeah, we are on day 2 on YouTube Live, guys. I'm going to be planning to do this every day. I'm going to be planning to do this every day, guys. I'm going to be planning to do this every day. Yeah, tell me in the comment, guys. Was it helpful today? Are you able to learn something? Are you able to learn something? Yeah. Was the session audible for you? Yeah, before we call it a day, guys. So I need to get the feedback from you guys. Or what or has it sweep? No, it does not sweep. Yeah, already it does not sweep. Yeah, already it does not sweep. You can see still does not sweep any. You can see does not sweep any of the liquidity. What do you primarily trade? I trade NASDAQ, and I trade gold, and I trade GBPSD. Yeah, I trade only those three assets. GBPSD, NASDAQ, and gold. Yeah, those are my main. For currencies, I trade the British pound against US dollars. For indices, I trade NASDAQ. For metal, I trade gold. Even only those. Yeah, I trade only those. Yeah, yeah. But back before, I used to trade so many things. I used to trade so many things. But nowadays, I wanted to minimize and trade at least few. Yeah. So that I so that because if you trade 2 or 3 assets, you'll see the consistency. Because every day you want to be seeing the same thing, and taking the trades. I think for NASDAQ a lot. Yeah, for NASDAQ what lot? Yeah, for NASDAQ naingianga na 0.01. Yeah, NASDAQ lot is 0.01. Yeah. NASDAQ, yeah, 0.01. I've never gone to 0. Yeah, ishaingia 1 0.02, but most is 0.01. Yeah, NASDAQ 0.01. The least lot size, yeah, FOREX. Yeah. Yeah, you can just imagine like like there's an account I'm flipping NASDAQ. Yeah, niko na ya $500. So imagine $500 naingia na 0.01. Hey, crazy. $500 account, I'm entering with 0.01. Maybe someone trading gold and remember like, you're joking, guy. You're joking. Or maybe a currency guy. Someone who's trading currency. And I'm a neutron. $500 you're trading with 0.01. But they don't know NASDAQ how it moves. It's gold times 4. You see how gold is moving? Kuna mtu anasemanga like, gold is very, very, very volatile. Then try NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ is a bit crazy. And I love it because sometimes it gives me quick cash. Yeah, it gives me quick cash a lot sometimes, yeah. Because I can just enter in 20 minutes, nimefunga na kama 30,000 Kenyan shillings. Like, I was like, what? Yeah, because pips zake ni kama gold times 4. Maybe another question, and gold, which lot size? Gold inategemea. Yeah, gold sometimes inaingia na itategemea na account size yako. If you have an account of $100 of gold, just trade with 0.01. Yeah, don't force things. If you have an account of $200, at most 0.02. Yeah, gold. Yeah, at most 0.02 in gold. Yeah. But imagine on currencies, if I get an entry on GU, naingia hata na lot ya 2. Naingia sometimes na lot ya 1 low lot, because unapata stop loss maybe ni 10 pips. Sometimes stop loss I get a 10 pips stop loss. So I need to set a big lot on currencies. But on gold, I won't do that. Yeah, I will see fire on gold if I try to do that. Yeah, maybe another question, guys. Maybe see in the comments. Another question, guys. Yeah, thanks for those who are joining us. So I'll be going this live from every day, guys, from 11 to 12. Yeah, we do it. If you get a setup together, guys, we're gonna be taking together, guys. Yeah, you can see, yeah, it's from 11 to 12. We get a setup, we're gonna be taking together. Yeah, yeah, for NASDAQ. Yeah, yeah. But at least I've given you the parameters where we are waiting, guys, for the entries. I think where we are waiting us for the entries, guys. Okay, guys. So can you call it a session, guys, or maybe some other question? Where are we expecting on NASDAQ? On NAS 100. So NAS 100. So NAS 100, maybe you can check on 15 minutes time frame. So NAS currently, so currently NAS, you can see the market, it has not sweep any liquidity. Let me just show you guys before we call it a session. So for NASDAQ, for me, for me to confirm as a very good trade on NASDAQ, I need to see the sweep here. Let me show you. So here I need to see the sweep. Yeah. So that I can decide, oh, can I buy or sell? Okay. I think, yeah, for NASDAQ, this is what I'm expecting. I need the market to close above it or below. Yeah, yeah. At least to sweep the liquidities first so that I can look for entries on this NASDAQ. Yeah, I think I've answered your question, Bolaji. Another question, guys. Yeah, wait for the market to close above so that you can look for entries, guys. But right now it's a bit risky. It's in the middle. Yeah, right now it's in the middle. Yeah, another question, guys. Maybe before we call it a session, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I think everyone understand, guys. Yeah, guys. If you have a question, guys, when you're going live, yeah, just be texting, guys. I'm just seeing here. I'm just seeing here on my screen. So you just be texting anything, guys, and I'll just be answering you only every question that you answer, guys. That you ask, guys. Best pro farm 5 sires. Let me show you here. Do you have? I don't know if I can. Let me show you the best profile. FTMO or 5 size, but hii inakwanga poa pia poa sana. Let me show you. Acha load ndio naonyesha. I don't know if it's clear. I see that profile. It is called 5 sires funded. Yeah, 5 sires funded. Let me see if we can. Yeah, I have also their profile, guys. I have their profile also. Yeah, it's a good profile, guys. 5 sires. It is 5 percentage. Yeah, 5% something. Yeah, they're the best profile also. And also you can use FTMO. Though FTMO is a bit expensive. I don't know why FTMO is mostly expensive. Yeah, I don't know why FTMO. Sometimes it's a bit expensive, FTMO. Yeah, sometimes FTMO is a bit expensive. I don't know why, the reason why they make it so expensive. Yeah. I think, guys, let it load so they can see. Anasema so FTMO ama 5 size. Haya, just curious, have you ever, I don't know, have you ever traded the real NASDAQ offered by CMA? Oh, NASDAQ. No. I think are you meaning the CMA? I don't know what do you mean by CMA? Can you tell me what do you mean by CMA? Yeah, for me, I normally trade NASDAQ that my broker offers me. Yeah, I only trade a pro firm. I only trade a pro firm that a broker offers me. Yeah, I only trade a pro firm that my broker offers me. Yeah, only only that, guys. That's what I normally do, guys. That's what I normally do. Yeah, I trade pro firm that. Yeah, I trade pro firm that I understand. Yeah. Yeah, for those who want to be for those who don't have an account of trading, yeah, I've just sent the link there. Is at $20 per point. Oh, I've never traded that. Yeah, I've never traded that, guys. I've never that. Yeah, for those who are, yeah, guys. Yeah, I've just sent there the link for uh for the account. Yeah, I'm planning to do a challenge, guys. I'm planning to do a challenge. I'm planning to do a challenge of with you guys, and you guys from the YouTube people in the Tanzania nyinyi. We're gonna be starting with you guys. So kama unataka kuingia kwa group, kama you wanted to like want to do together, guys. So if you don't have an account, if you're new, just send the link here for my broker. Yeah, this is from link for my broker. I've just sent the link for my broker. You can open an account so that I think next week so that when I start the challenge, we're gonna be trading together. Yeah, setups the same, so we can decide to trade Bollinger Band. So the reason why I'm recommending this broker is because of the spread. Yeah, the strategy works well on this. The strategy works well on this broker. Yeah, the strategy works well because of a few spread. Kuna very tight spread. So you can just open the account, then nikianza challenge, then I'm gonna be letting you guys. Yeah, it's a good broker. It is the broker that I'm using. Yeah, another question, guys. Yeah, another question. Yeah, David. I've never traded that. Yeah, $20 per point. Yeah, I think you become shares. I think it's kind of like shares. Okay. Is there another question, guys? So if there's no other question, guys, we can call it a day. So let's meet, guys, tomorrow again. Let's meet tomorrow again, same time, guys. And let's hit the market, guys. I think I've shown you where I'm intending to buy. So tomorrow, and guys, don't miss. Also can trade. I don't know if tomorrow I can be live at night. Yeah, but if you wake up tomorrow, maybe you can check me. Maybe I'll be live, but I'm not planning to go live. But yeah, I'm kinda going live. But let's see. Yeah, what are we seeing? So guys, bye bye, guys. See you in the next session, guys. And thanks for joining the session, guys.